Hello student, welcome to next practical of Java programming. Today we see the practical number 28, that is develop minimum two basic applet, display output with applet viewer and browser. Okay, so in this practical we see the concept applet and we write a program to display simple applet with some string. Okay, so in this practical there are two programs. Develop a program on basic applet, develop a program using control loop in applet. Okay, so first practical significance is Java applet help to make the web pages more dynamic. Java is also used to create small dynamic programs that run along with or are embedded within web pages. Okay, these pages, or you can say applet, can be used to display maps, weather, games or other interactive widget or tools on the web page. Okay, so all students remember, up to last practical our output is display in the command prompt. Okay, so from applet, first of all, what is applet? Applet is the program which run on web browser. Okay, Java based web browser, and output is display in the web browser. Okay, so एक applet in one window, inside that your upload आपको output आ जाएगा. Okay, in this practical we create simple applet and we study how we can create the applet. Okay, so the next is the program outcome of this practical is basic knowledge, discipline knowledge, experiment and practice, engineering tool, individual and teamwork and communication. So these are the some program outcome of this practical. Then here some theoretical background is given. Applet are small Java program that can be used in internet computing. Applets can be transported over the internet from one computer to another and run using the applet viewer or any web browser that support Java. Okay, so basically applet is the Java program which run on the Java based web browser. Okay, so second difference is in up to last practical we use the public static void main method, but in applet program we use public void paint method instead of main method. Main method applet के प्रोग्राम में नहीं आएगा, तो उसके जगह पे आएगा public void paint. It is used to paint the applet. It contains graphic class object which is used for the drawing of oval, rectangle, arc, etc. Okay, so in next some practical we also draw the different shapes like oval, rectangle, but in this practical we we create one applet and display some string in the applet. Okay, so here small program is given in your manual. So this is the program. Okay, so and second one is in applet we use the applet tag to define some attributes of applet. Okay, like code, width and height. Okay, so basically there are two ways to create the applet. We can create two different files also. One for file is our Java file and second file is HTML file, and we can create one combined file also which contain Java code also and HTML code also. Okay, so let's see how we can create the applet. Then next one here this is very important, how we can execute the applet program. Okay, in up to last practical we use two command. First command is javac, then file name .java. So this command is used to compile the Java program. This command also same in applet also. We use this command in applet also. And second command in applet program we use applet viewer then file name .java instead of Java. Okay, लास्ट प्रैक्टिकल तक हमने सेकंड कमांड क्या यूज किया था? टू रन द प्रोग्राम वी यूज जावा स्पेस फाइल नेम. इन एप्लेट प्रोग्राम वी यूज एप्लेट व्यूवर स्पेस फाइल नेम .java. Okay, so these are the two command to run the applet program. Okay, so let's see one example. So this is simple program to create applet and print the welcome word in the applet. So first in this program I import one package java.applet.applet. Okay, in applet program must import this package, must import these two packages. First one is java.applet.applet, second one is import java.awt. Okay, यहाँ पे applet लिखो, star लिखो, चलेगा. Okay, to why we use the star? To import the all class from the package, and if I mention applet, then specific class is imported. Okay, so first are the two package imported. Then next I create one class experiment 28, public class experiment 28 extends applet. Okay, जो अपना क्लास रहेगा उसको एक्सटेंड करना है applet class. Okay, next then we use the public void paint method. Okay, so instead of main method we use the public void paint method and pass the object of graphics class graphic G. Okay, then to draw the string there is one method in applet, draw string. Okay, draw string is the method used to print the string in the applet. Okay, so write this method. G is the object of graphics class. When you use any method from graphics class, that time you use the object. G dot draw string is the method, and here are the three parameters, or we can say arguments of this method. First one is जो आपको string print करना है applet में, वो आपको डबल कोट में लिखना है. ओके, जो भी आप डबल कोट में लिखोगे वो आपका एज इट इज applet में प्रिंट हो जाएगा. सो फर्स्ट आर्गुमेंट इज द स्ट्रिंग विच वी वांट टू प्रिंट ऑन द applet. सेकंड आर्गुमेंट इज width of the applet, and third one is height of the applet. जो भी आपको height मेंशन करना है वो आप यहाँ पे पॉइंट में कर सकते हो. ओके, second parameter is width, third parameter is height. So this is simple method draw string. What is use of this method? To draw or to display the specific string in the applet. Okay, here method is closed and here class is closed. So this is simple program to print the welcome word in the applet. Okay, next here I write the applet code. Okay, without applet or without HTML code you cannot run the applet program. So for that here we write the code in comment. Okay, so /* we use to define the multi-line comment. Inside that we write applet. Okay, this is HTML code. Okay, applet tag. Inside applet tag there are different attributes of applet tag. First attribute is code. What is the value of code? Your class name. Okay, जो भी not class name, file name. Okay, हम file name क्या स्टोर करते हैं? जो भी आपका क्लास नेम रहेगा वो फाइल नेम रहेगा. ओके, सो राइट योर क्लास नेम और फाइल नेम इन द वैल्यू ऑफ कोड. ओके, डबल कोड में आपको वो लिखना है experiment 28. ओके, माय फाइल नेम इज experiment 28. देन width इज इक्वल टू 300 एंड हाइट इज इक्वल टू 300. सो ये applet का हाइट रहेगा. सॉरी, इन ड्रॉ स्ट्रिंग मेथड 150 इज द x कोऑर्डिनेट एंड सेकेंड 150 इज y कोऑर्डिनेट. ओके, मैंने थोड़ा applet का बताया था, तो applet का कोऑर्डिनेट रहेगा width एंड हाइट का. ओके, और ये ड्रॉ स्ट्रिंग में जो है वो है 150 इज द x कोऑर्डिनेट एंड 150 इज द नेक्स्ट 150 इज y कोऑर्डिनेट. ओके, सो फ्रॉम दैट पॉइंट द स्ट्रिंग विल बी स्टार्ट टू प्रिंट. ओके, सो x एंड y कोऑर्डिनेट है और यहाँ पे width एंड हाइट है. ओके, सो ये साइज का वो applet आपके स्क्रीन के ऊपर बना देगा. Okay, so this is simple program to create the applet. So let's see the execution part, how we can execute this program. So first command is same, java c space file name exp28.java. Okay, so my program compiled successfully. Then second command is applet viewer space file name dot java. Okay, so after this command web browser is open, or you can say applet is open with the. Okay, so 300 is the width of the applet and 300 also height of the applet. Okay, and this point is the 150 x coordinate and 150 y coordinate. So यहाँ से 150 डिस्टेंस रहेगा ये और यहाँ से 150 रहेगा. वहाँ से वो स्टार्ट करेगा प्रिंट करने को, स्ट्रिंग प्रिंट करेगा वेलकम. Okay, so this is simple program to create one applet in Java. Okay, so next practical we see some another programs of applet. Okay, remember some points like applet is run in Java based web browser. In applet program we use the public void paint method instead of main method. And next command, second command we use applet viewer. Okay, यहाँ पे applet viewer कमांड यूज करते हैं हम टू रन द प्रोग्राम. ओके, So this is simple practical number 28. All students try to run this program. Okay, in manual also one program is given to print the hello Java word on the screen, in applet. Okay, so here description is given. 10 is the x कोऑर्डिनेट. सो ये x कोऑर्डिनेट रहेगा आपका, ये स्क्रीन के ऊपर जो एप्लेट प्रिंट होगा ये 0 पॉइंट रहेगा. ओके, मैथ्स में आपने पढ़ा रहेगा x, दिस इज x एक्सिस एंड दिस इज y एक्सिस. सो यहाँ से जो ये डिस्टेंस आएगा, सो ये रहेगा 10. सो इट इज x कोऑर्डिनेट एंड y कोऑर्डिनेट मतलब y एक्सिस पे उसका डिस्टेंस. ओके, सो रिमेंबर दिस मेथड आल्सो, ड्रॉ स्ट्रिंग, यूज टू ड्रॉ द स्ट्रिंग. ओके, सो थैंक यू.